So hindi ko alam kung excited ba ako ngayon or kinakabahan ako. Siguro pareho. Kasi this is a very nice car. Kinakabahan ako today. First time ko mag-drive ng LC76 manual pa. So dito tayo ngayon sa Manila. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Punta tayo ng Premium Overland Outfitters today. At ihatid natin yung LC76 sa shop. So ito yung sasakyan na ginamit at dinisplay during the Manila Auto Salon. Well, actually, 4 yung dinisplay. So, yung isa doon is galing sa Autobot and yung 3 is galing sa, of course, sa Premium Overland Outfitters. So, 3 yung dinisplay natin doon. Aside from the LC76 is yung BYD Shark and yung kay paring Jack, yung Toyota Hilux niya. Alright, so let's go, let's drive. So excited tayo to drive this LC76 here in Manila City on a manual transmission. Ito natin, manual transmission, baby. So let's enjoy the drive. Tara guys, punta tayo ng Premium Overland Outfitters. Premium! Okay na? We're here in Premium Overland Outfitters. We made it! Pare, I survived! Dito? Okay. Okay, so magpa-park lang muna tayo. Stretch natin yung mga paa natin. Tuhod natin. So guys, thank you at sinamahan nyo ako driving the LC76. And this is a very nice car. And kung marami-rami lang tayong pera at tatanggap lang sila ng kidney, why not, diba? Kuha tayo nito. Thanks guys. Again, this is Teddy Camper. Slow down, feel the moment, and roam free.